The tallest of mountains, the greatest of peaks, a painting of nature, and nature does speak. Let's salute the air we breathe and respectfully preserve. When a mission is born, watch a dream emerge. To give gratitude to all that is and preserve what will be, this beauty will live on if the journey starts with me. Watch strangers turn to friends, a bond that will surpass every test as we inch closer to a brighter future, onwards to the Everest.
Emission Impossible, driven by Hyundai KONA Electric, premieres 26 January Sunday 7 p.m. on Discovery.